What's up, guys? In this video, we're going to show you how to make a CyberTruck out of clay. So we have the clay box, the wheels from a broken car, and a plastic knife to cut the clay. Now we're going to cut the shape of the CyberTruck. Now we're going to make the top of the CyberTruck nice and flat. Now let's make the front light. Let's put the wheels on the CyberTruck. We waited for the CyberTruck to dry. It's time to paint the CyberTruck. We're going to use white and black to make the color gray. We wait for the truck to dry. Now we are gonna put all the details like the lights and the windows. Now the CyberTruck is ready to go!